Have you ever wished you could shrink your love for gardening into tiny, adorable keepsakes? In this video, I'll show you how I turned my own unique gardening visions into miniature silicone inlays. These aren't your average craft supplies. These miniature gardening tools and elements are actually handmade silicone inlays created with my own two hands. Join me as I reveal the process of bringing these tiny treasures to life and showcasing them in this beautiful Spring Has Sprung resin plaque. Stick around to see how these tiny tools and treasures came to life.
We first begin our project by starting coloring our inlays. Now, I do this process quite often in a lot of my videos, so I am going to do it fast forward in most of this, but I just wanted to show you what the set did include.
Hey everyone, welcome to Happy Place Creations. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I wanted to chat with you directly for a moment about something. I'm really passionate about creating those perfect little details for your resin art projects. As you know, I love making resin pieces, and one of the things that can truly elevate your work is adding unique and charming inlays. That's why I started creating my own line of silicone inlays. These aren't just any inlays, they're handcrafted with care right here in the USA, made with flexible Let's Resin silicone, and designed in a versatile white so you can customize them with all your favorite colors, glitters, and powders. So, if you're looking for those extra special elements to take your resin creations to the next level, be sure to check out the link below, https://ebay.com/Happy Place Creations. The link is always conveniently down in the description box for you. Elevate your creations. I'm always adding new designs. I can't wait to see what amazing things you create with them. Thanks for stopping by, and let's get back to the crafting.
Now we build our base. I have Let's Resin epoxy, and I have mixed that by hand, but I used my Let's Resin bubble remover to get out all the air bubbles. And what I'm doing here is I am adding some Let's Resin powder into the mix. So we're going to have a combination of regular resin and the powdered eco resin for our base. I just wanted to point out to you that I am pouring that powder directly into the resin. I'm not pre-mixing it with water as the package says to do. I'm pouring it directly powder stage into the resin. I want to see how it's going to come out. And right here, you notice I start dumping, rather pouring, and then I stop because I realized I forgot to add my color. So I have to add my color in later. Here I just decided to add a little bit of glitter for some sparkle effect. I just wanted to show you I just got done doing that. And here's our inlays all colored and ready to be put in our project. And now we're going to be adding a sticker to the front that is flowers and butterflies and stuff. And now it's time we add our inlays to our plaque. And now it's time that we put a top coat to cover the inlays. And I have added a little bit of diamond dust just for some more sparkle to the top. Now here I am doing the final top coat to seal in our Spring Has Sprung. And I'm sorry I don't have the footage of me putting on the vinyl that I printed out on my Cricut, but I had computer issues that day with the internet and I lost the footage. So I do apologize, but here is me doing the final top coat. And now it's time to demold our project and see how the mixture of the powder and the resin came together. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Came out nice. Got a little bit of sanding to do. And here's our beautiful plaque with our little mini inlays.